Hey guys, we received this TIJN Polarized sunglasses for men and women. So they are the classic trendy stylish sunglasses and comes in a really nice packs. They are the pair of two. So one is the clear and one is black. And this looks really nice. And there's the polarized lenses. So we can test those lenses. Comes with the microfiber cloth as well, just as a complete kit site. So this is a very helpful like with this sun and that looks really nice. And also like from the side, this is the plastic frames and the clear frames. And this one is the black one. So and these are the polarized sunglasses and with a nice plastic frame. And this is the quality frame as I can see it here and feel with a comfortable nose pad. And the nice comfortable side sticks. So same thing with the other one. You can see like there is a very comfortable nose pads as I can feel it here. And then thing. So this is like the polarized testing thing that we can see. So you cannot see anything like without these glasses, just say. And then when this glasses comes up, you can see this polarized text. So these are polarized glasses. The same thing with the other one. And they are good sunglasses because it will protect in the sun. And this sunglasses also like have a nice quality as well as the good looking thing. So this microfiber cloth is also come with it, so you can just clean up the glasses and easily use them.